Welcome to EDU World Space.
All right, so I don't know if you're able to use a calculator or if you have to do this straight by hand. So I'll tell you how you could sort of do it by hand, but then also just show you on the calculator. I'm using the Desmos matrix calculator, and you define, let's say, matrix A. I'm going to use different variables here, but let me put in the 1, 6, 5, 4, -10, 8, -8, 1, 7 into matrix A. It's stored a new 3 by 3 matrix B that I'm going to call the other 3 by 3 matrix 1, -1, 2, -3, 3, -5, -1, 2, 0. Stored. Now I'm going to use the variables that I've just defined, and I don't think I can call them anything besides A and B. But what I had called matrix B is already the inverse matrix, okay? And even though we're solving for A, I'm going to call it in this equation X, and then what I labeled in the calculator as A. And so we would want to solve for X now, the way I've written this. And that would be equal to A minus B. So you would subtract the two matrices. So in this case, that would be 0, 7, 3, 7, 13, -13, 13, -7, -1, 7. And that is just from subtracting. So 5x would equal well, actually, we want the inverse of that. So that would be 11, 10, 4, 9, -8, 7, -11, 0, 7. By the way, B inverse is -10, -4, -5, -2, 1, 3, 1, 0. So if you have to do that by hand, finding the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix, you might have to augment that with the 3 by 3 identity, row reduce until you get the identity on the left. If that's how you need to do it, then you need to do that by hand. Once you do, then you're going to subtract that. Again, I'm going to tell you that the inverse of B is -10, -4, 1, -5, -2, 1, 3, 1, 0. Okay. So when we subtract, we get 11, 10, 4, 9, -8, 7. All right, and then to solve for x, or what is called a in your equation, you would take 1/5 of each side. And so that would mean it's 11/5, 10/5 or 2, 4/5, 9/5, and -8/5, 7/5, -11/5, 0, and 7/5.